This is the concrete laboratory. It's fully equipped with all necessary equipment along with their accessories. They are meant for PG and UG civil engineering courses according to Anna University syllabus. This board indicates this all set of equipments which are held in concrete lab. Very specifically, fresh concrete test equipment, floor table apparatus, dB consistometer, slump cone apparatus, and compaction factor apparatus. The next one is a concrete permeability apparatus 3-cell system, which is used for measuring the permeability of concrete, accelerated curing tank, ultrasound pulse velocity tester, rebound hammer tester, and corrosion monitoring equipment. Some vibrators also we are having, table and platform vibrator, and digital longitudinal compressor and digital lateral extensometer, drum and pan concrete mixers, RCPT, rapid chloride permeability tester, foam generator, pre-stressing bed assembly, and others. This one is a semi-automatic cylindrical autoclave which has been procured under ACT RPS project, which is used very specifically. We are using for curing the geopolymer concrete specimens. Test apparatus. When our PG student, research scholar, they are making the specimen to find out how much impact it will withstand. This equipment is used for measuring that. This is a floor table apparatus and a dB consistometer. Both are the set of equipment which is used for measuring the workability of fresh concrete. This table vibrator, vibrating table we used for vibrating and compacting the cube specimens. This is a vibrating machine for meant for cement mortar cube. We can prepare the specimen 50.4 mm and 70.6. Both are effectively compacted and cast with the help of this equipment. Our research scholars and PG students, they are doing research and project in lightweight concrete also. In order to provide the facility for them, the foam generator is used to foam generator and the compressor. Both are used for generating, making a lightweight concrete. Permeability apparatus here is a 3-cell system. We are using 3 concrete cubes to measure the permeability property of concrete specimens. This is a hot water serological water tank. When we are having a specimen is a miniature specimen, particularly 50.4 and 70.6 mm cement mortar cube, we can use this serological water tank for curing. Generally, concrete specimen will be cured in 28 days in cold water. In order to save the time and in order to get the result rapidly, this accelerated curing tank is used. With help of this curing water tank, the specimen after casting, just for 3.5 hours, it should be cured in hot water, and the specimen will attain 28 days strength. And PG students, now and then they are doing a project in self-compacting concrete. So these are all a set of apparatus and instruments. Very specifically, we are used for self-compacting concrete property to measure the self-compact concrete facilities. We are having a very extensive and latest sieve sets also, particularly to find out the material characteristics now of fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. We are having a GI sieve sets and bronze sieve sets also. This cast iron cylindrical mold, particularly for making a specimen which can be used for testing the durability properties of concrete. This is specially ordered and we procured this one. This is a Le Chatelier flask used for measuring or determining the specific gravity of cement or fine particles. This is the NDT equipment, is a UPV ultrasound pulse velocity. With help of that, we can find out the compressive strength of existing concrete. Also, we can find out any flaws or cracks. It could be sensed. With help of these ultrasound waves, we can measure it. Also, we can find out the Young's modulus and the velocity by correlating the velocity and Young's modulus. We can find out the quality of concrete, also to measure the compressive strength of concrete. The pan mixer specially meant for the concrete made with fly ash. This equipment has been procured by AICTE RPS project. So we can with this equipment we can mix, we can prepare the mix with the geopolymer concrete, also concrete with the fly ash. This is the dry heat chamber specially made for geopolymer concrete, because the geopolymer concrete will be cured either by steam and or by dry heat. Already we have seen that autoclave is producing the steam, so the geopolymer can be attaining the strength by curing, steam curing also, at the same time by dry heat also. This is a pre-stressed bed assembly. Is specially fabricated for who are those carrying out the research work in pre-stressed concrete. But this one is specifically is prepared for using the geopolymer concrete for pre-stressed concrete elements.